Bonnie, happy Sunday! Oh my gosh, you guys, I am so excited to be doing this video, you guys. Check it out. I have just sorted the majority of my Avon jewelry collection into these wonderful trays that I just got off of Amazon. Because I'm like, you know what? I had a lot of stuff in my jewelry box. I had a lot of it sitting on my desk. I'm like, it's gonna get tangled. I want it put away really neat. So I picked up these trays. Everything is now beautifully sorted, and I could not be more happy. I love my Avon jewelry, you guys. This is like such a joy for me to collect jewelry. I get so excited when I get a new jewelry piece, and I'm not a huge fan of expensive jewelry. All of my Avon collection combined is probably less than one like expensive piece, and I get so many compliments on this. So I feel like it's a joy to treat yourself to a jewelry piece. It makes me feel good, and I'm going to keep doing it. I love it. I got to buy more trays. So if you're just joining me, I am an online Avon rep. All of my information is below, including the link to order. We are currently in campaign 4, and there's a lot of really nice jewelry pieces. I usually pick a couple out each campaign to get for my collection, like this one. Oh my gosh, I love this one. I got to review that one. That's a 4-leaf clover. A lot of the heart pieces are sold out already. I'm so glad I got that. I got so many compliments on that one. We have the Radiant Rainbow and the Blush. A couple of the larger pieces are actually still in boxes. I have not found a tray big enough. We had this really huge statement piece at Christmas, and that actually I don't have a box for yet. But I just kind of wanted to go through my collection and show you a couple things. I love this. This is the peppermint necklace from a couple of years ago. It is so cute. It was for Christmas. And that's the thing about Avon jewelry. Once it's gone, it's gone. You cannot find this again. So I feel like it's a collectible. And check out, this was last year's Valentine's Day piece. Is this not absolutely? I think this was Valentine's Day. This is gorgeous. I love this one. I would wear this with my Wednesday Addams shirt. Seriously. I like pairing jeans and, you know, like different Avon jewels here. This is a new piece. This is the one, I'm just going to show you the bottom here, with the triple chain, and it's super pretty. It's like a floral. This was one of my first Avon pieces that I got when I just started selling as a new rep. It's a leaf, but it's kind of like segmented. I love that piece. Oh my gosh, I just recently got this on sale. I love this one. And then I also have this cute little bracelet here. So that is tray number 1. And what I do is I have like a cabinet in my craft room. And then what I do is like, because I don't have room for these in my bedroom. So I have this cabinet and I'm just going to like stack them up with my Avon stuff. And you know, that way I can just pull them out. It's so nice. Oh my gosh, this is new. This is in the current catalog. This is gorgeous for summer. You might want to think about getting this. Oh my gosh, absolutely gorgeous. Oh, this was one from this past year. I've gotten a lot of my jewelry in the past year. That one is really pretty. Look at this leaf. This is from a couple years ago. This collection, they just had a clearance on this collection recently. I don't know if this is even still available. It is the red Christmas necklace. This is a nice statement piece. It came with a ring. Look at this ring. Is that not absolutely gorgeous? Earrings, and then this really pretty bracelet. I love rhinestone jewelry. It's a testament to my 80s girl style. Madonna, everybody wore like rhinestones back then. I have an earring collection right here. I don't wear earrings a lot, only because I usually have my hair in front of them. But once in a while, I put them on and I have an earring collection. So those are my earrings. Check it out. I have this pin. This actually says Avon 2020 on the back. I love this pin. This pin is beautiful. So I've got my pin here. I've got a little pearl bracelet going on. I've got this blingy one from Christmas. And then, do you guys remember this emerald one from last year? I think this is last year. I love this one so much. This would look good with my Wednesday Addams shirt too. I thought this kind of reminded me of the Wizard of Oz. That's a favorite piece of mine. And then I have all of these rings. I think last year we got all these really pretty just gemstone rings. I have those in here. I have a couple of winter rings in here. Oh my gosh, this one was beautiful. This chocolate ring. I've got this year's the Blush and Gems ring. This bracelet. Yep, loving that one. And oh my gosh, this one, check that out. That one still might be available. I've been wearing this one a lot. That's my Radiant Rainbow ring. Next up, I think this is my favorite tray. I have 18 Avon necklaces in here, and they all cost between like $9.99 and $14.99. Oh my goodness, I love looking at these. I remember when I was little, it must be something like that I just enjoyed my entire life. Because I remember when I was like, 7 years old, going through my mother's jewelry box and just loving looking at my mother's and my grandmother's like costume jewelry. Look at this little pumpkin. By the way, my nails need redone. I was doing a lot of serious cleaning today with my Avon products, by the way, my Avon cleaning products, and I messed up my nails, so I was doing some hard cleaning. So, oh my gosh, this one is absolutely stunning. It was a fall piece. Oh my gosh, I love this one. The rose one. Look at this. I will wear all of this jewelry over and over again. It's so pretty. I have a little watermelon in here for summer. Look at that. That is so pretty. But I love these trays. Oh, I've got my Valentine's Day heart in here. What else do I have? Oh, let's put this here. Next up, I have this tray for some of the larger pieces. This is still available. This is the Blushing Gemstone. I would get this before it sells out if you want it. Same with the Radiant Rainbow. This is one of my favorite pieces. I can't remember when I got this. I wear this a lot. It looks like a Southwestern piece. I wear this one a lot. I've always loved this piece. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And then one of my favorite new pieces is this piece. I love this one. That would go really well with a black t-shirt. Then it comes with a bracelet. And then these are some older ones. I have this beautiful purple gemstone here. I think one of my first pieces that I ever got as an Avon rep was this one. And then I think I just was like, I'm going to start collecting jewelry again. And it brings so much joy to my life. Oh my gosh, this one is absolutely gorgeous. And again, you can't get this stuff anymore. I mean, this stuff is sold out, gone. I mean, you're not going to be able to find these. So if you see a piece you like, I would order it now. And, I feel like I'm treating myself. And it's like, a $10, $15 treat. And I'm going to have this for a really long time, especially now that I know that I'm storing it correctly and I'm not going to lose anything. So like I said, what these do is these kind of stack up like this, and then they store really easily. The dust doesn't get in them because, they're stackable. So anyway, don't forget to look at the Avon jewelry. And if you're looking for even lower prices, by the way, I don't have my pin in here. My Enchanted Garden set, that's in another box. I actually have to organize that. But again, what you're going to do in the catalog is you can look online or you can look in your actual catalog. But if you go to the jewelry section, which is like right here, you can see, a lot of these pieces, $9.99. The Simply Charming, the necklace here, that's $12.99. Really, really good prices. And even the statement jewelry. This earrings and necklace set is absolutely gorgeous for $24.99. Avon does an amazing job on their jewelry. I cannot wait to add to my collection. Like I said, this brings me so much joy. I will continue sharing my Avon jewelry, and then soon I will do, like next week, I will do a review on, oh my gosh, this Mermaid Treasures necklace, which is one of my favorites. I think I need another one of those. I do. I just want to have two in my collection. Anyway, thank you as always for watching. Let me know your favorite Avon jewelry, and I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.